Okay, here we have my simple 555 timer here, driving a little bit, so no Arduino or anything here, it's just simple frequency stuff. So I've got a little button to start it, so I can do Morse code. I can change this pot here, change the frequency if I want. Just changes these two resistors here. And there's a fixed capacitor, so we're just changing the frequency here purely with resistance. So you can make funky sounds. You can even make real high pitched stuff to make dogs crazy. Anyway, quite a simple circuit, only took me, well, 20 minutes or so, but a lot of fun.